Before installing your shower surround, you will need to build a stud frame. Make sure the stud pocket is plumb and square at the back and front corners. Refer to the roughing in information on your installation guide for product-specific information. Once your stud frame is built and level, install your rough plumbing into the wall. Refer to your instructions for specific roughing in information. Next, install the bath drain to the drain pipe. Measure out support feet placement on the floor. If instructed to, position a protective liner in the bath basin. Staple a felt pad to the subfloor so it will contact all of the support feet. Next, attach the metal support clips to the flange at the locations shown in your specific roughing in information. Lift and position the bath in the stud frame and level your tub. If stated in your instructions, install the plastic attachment clips at all of the remaining stud locations. With the unit level, shim under the support feet as needed and secure the clips. Now you will install the wall set. Install the back wall and insert the tabs into the slots. Verify that the seal is installed, undamaged, and fully seated. Measure and mark the faucet holes into the end wall and then drill the holes into it. Install the end walls and engage the pins in the slots. Make sure that the front edges are flush with no more than a 1/32 inch gap. Starting at the bottom, install screws through the dimples to secure the flanges to the studs. Secure the walls to the studs along the top. Use shims as needed. Install the faucet trim and accessories and seal where they contact the wall panels. Next, cover the framing with water-resistant wallboard and then install the finished wall material. When you're done painting, apply 100% silicone sealant where the unit contacts the finished wall.